You'll be amazed to see what happens when you give this simple, natural mix to a dying plant. Within days, weak leaves regain strength, drooping stems lift up, and the soil starts to breathe again, like nature waking from a deep sleep. Take 1 liter of clean water. Now add 1 spoon of baking soda. Stir slowly. This simple powder helps neutralize harmful acids in the soil, keeps the roots healthy, and protects plants from fungal attacks. It also improves oxygen flow, allowing roots to absorb nutrients more effectively. Now take another cup of warm water and add a small pinch of yeast. Let it rest for about 30 minutes until bubbles appear. That's your yeast water. Pour this gently into the same mixture. Yeast brings natural microorganisms that enrich the soil and stimulate root growth, giving the plant the boost it needs to recover faster. Mix everything well and pour this solution directly around the base of your plant, not on the leaves. Do this once every 10 to 15 days. Within a short time, you'll notice new shoots, greener leaves, and a revived, healthier plant. Because in nature, every plant deserves a second chance. And sometimes all it takes is the right blend of baking soda and yeast to bring life back to your garden.